Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope you're all having a great Monday. Well, today we have another review. So let's find out what is in the bag. It's quite the bag. Well, we have stamped cross stitches. Give me a sec. Okay, this bag comes from BiggestCraft, and like I said before, we have 2 stamped cross stitches. Now the first one, let me see, is a 50 by 60, and it was $11.99. So let me get it out of its bag. All right, I will put a picture of this right here for just a few seconds while I'm kind of looking over this. This is one of the stained glass dragons, and I don't believe I have this one. Let's look at the paper pattern. All right, it does have the product number and how big it is, 60 by 45. Looks very well printed, no smudging, no smearing. It is 233 by 168. And it's going to have some big background there. Oh yeah, the background's going to be 310 black. Oh, so wherever all that blue is, yeah, that's where it is at. It does have 40 colors. Let's see what colors we have. We have 154 mulberry, 310 black, 550 purple, 666 red. I think 837 is red. I'm not sure. I'll have to check. But we have 823 and 939. So that'll help with the backgrounds and the dark areas. No 3371, and they do have 3865 and B5200. But very nice, very well printed pattern. Let me just fold that up and show you. So there's going to be some confetti here, there, and everywhere, but it's nicely printed, easy to read. And inside the kit, we do have the page that tells you how to start, how to finish, if you're new at all this. So very nice. Does have a toolkit with 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. And I guess it goes this way. I don't know that you can see that. It is a papillon, a butterfly. Let's take a look at the threads. Oh yeah, there's some 310 black. We got 3 skeins of 310 black. That'll tell you something right there. Now the thread did come in its own little bag. Trying to get it right side up. So it does have the product number on here, which is 1079. 1079 here, and the paper pattern will all match. 4 symbols as well as thread. Let me get rid of that bag. So 3 skeins of 310 black. We knew that was going to happen. Let's look at the rest. There is a lot of reds in this. So there's reds that I didn't even know were reds. How's that? So let me shake it down. Everybody's kind of discombobulated here. Alright, so there is your B5200, 3865, a lovely brown, and some bright yellow. And over here, oh yeah. Let me see if I can get hold of it. Beautiful oranges, greens, turquoises, blues, teals, pale blue green. There's another red I keep forgetting about. This is 154. You know about the black. This is 550 purple. And we do have 666 red. So lots of shades of oranges, reds, yellows, blues, mint green, peach. So a nice wide variety of colors. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Let me put this in here and roll this up so everybody doesn't get lost, because heaven forbid. We got a few stragglers there. We'll fix them later. Put that up there. Let's take a look at the canvas. Now that's something I haven't seen in a while, is the edges not cut off. The canvas is kind of stiff, not gonna lie. Let me move this silly bell so I don't hit it every 2 seconds. It is serged all the way around. I'm just gonna move the other one out of the way so that I can get this down. Very nicely printed. Very easy to see. That's what I love about 11 count. Nice key. The serging does not go into the numbers, but that doesn't matter. The threads are on a thread card. But yeah, I just thought the colors were just absolutely stunning on this. Just stunning. All right, so we have a little over 60 centimeters that away, and 44.5 centimeters this way, and actual picture size is, if I can get it to stay where it's supposed to, almost, oh, it's a little over 37.5 centimeters, or almost 15 inches. Up and down, and this way it is about 21.25 inches, or 54 centimeters that away. So it's fair size, and there is a lot of black, a lot. Yeah, I wouldn't start with that. That would not be my first choice. So I think I'd start with the dragon right dead center, like its head, and do the dragon to make sure that it was all good. But very nicely printed. Like I said, there's a little bit of confetti just kind of sprinkled in various places. You know, you can, when you get tired of the confetti, you can come over here and do some of the 310 black, and do some confetti and do 310 black. There are some bigger areas, but yeah, I think it's going to be beautiful. Just beautiful. Gorgeous. All right. We have one more. This one is 50 by 60, and it was $11.99. Let me get it out of its bag. All right, I am back, but look at him. Is he not gorgeous? And you know, I think I may have ordered this from another store. I'm not real sure. I can't remember anymore. I ordered a flower dragon, but they had like 6 or 8 to pick from, and I couldn't remember. So this happens all the time to me. But I thought he was beautiful. Look at all those colors in there. Look at those roses. They're just awesome. Awesome. Product number is up here. It does come with instructions down here, just like we had before. Nice big paper pattern. I'm not seeing any smudges or smears. But yeah, we're going to have to start him today because, yeah, he's just too awesome. This has 44 colors. Let's see what we have. We have no 310 black in this. Huh. Who knew? Okay, so we have 154 mulberry. We have 550 purple, of course. We have 823 and 939, which is going to cover the dark colors. No 3371. We have 3770, which is the butter color. And for white, they're using 3865. Yeah, very nicely printed. It doesn't... The confetti's going to be like the last one. There's not so much background color to stitch. This is a 823, this blue right through here. But the confetti is like here, and then you got bigger areas, and it's kind of sprinkled except for on his face and all that detail. So, yeah, there'll be a hot moment right in here. But very nicely done. Oh, I absolutely love this. Just absolutely loved it. All right, the kit comes with a tool kit. Oh my gosh, Tiger's back. We have 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. La tigra. Let's take a look at the threads. The threads are nicely packaged in their own package. Product, or threads, the paper pattern, and the canvas all match for the numbers. So it's 4983, 4983, and 4983. So that all matches. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, let's put that over there. Let me get these threads out. All right, they do not have a rubber band on them. So let me get them shook it out. But look at all these stunning, beautiful colors. Look at that green and the blues and the purples. On this side, we have some dark charcoal gray. Look at that jelly bean purple. We even have a dark shade of purple. And we have lovely blues. Let's see if I can just flip it over. We have tans and browns. I love those greens. They're just going to pop right off of that. Some pinks. Kind of an orangish. It's orange. I don't know if it's yellow orange, white orange. Okay. What can I say? Very, very nice. This white right here is 3865. And this is probably 3770. It's kind of a muted. Yep. You can see it's kind of got a yellow tone next to that. Well, if I get rid of the blue. Hold that thought. You can kind of see the difference in them. But they work real well. Look at that. Oh, that dark coral. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I'm frothing. I'm frothing at the mouth and drooling. Okay, let me get a hold of all this. And when I do the stitch with me, I will have already had this onto a ring, and you'll know that all the threads were there. So, yeah. Just put that up there. Put that with that, so we know that it goes with that kit. Let's take a look at the canvas. Canvas is serged all the way around. It's that nice, smooth canvas. So wonderful. Nice, big, huge key. And this is kind of big. I'm not gonna lie. The serging goes just barely grazes the numbers right down in here. But you know that's 3865 because it's always last. Very nicely printed. This company does an excellent job. I love it. Very smooth canvas. It's a little stiff, you know, but it will break down after a while. But oh yeah, I gotta start that dragon's head to see how that's all gonna come out. You can see his eye. This part right here. There's several colors. Where is it? I'm pointing and looking out at my camera, but that's his eye. Very nice. Very nicely done. Let's see if we can get it open enough to measure. Hold that thought. There'll be a moment. Oh my goodness. Oh, here it is. Like, how far could it go? I didn't even get up. Good gravy. I love it. I should have this in a case around my neck. But it never leaves the desks. Oh, well, that's a lie. I had to take it for something because I couldn't find my stupid metal tape measure. Yeah. And then I put it right back on my desk because, yeah, I can't live without this. All right. It is 59.5 centimeters or 23.5 inches by, it's dang near square. Hang on. 49.5 centimeters or 19.5 inches. Actual picture size is 17.25 inches or 44 centimeters. by close to 51 or 53.5 centimeters or 21 inches. But it's going to be beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. I love it. Yep. Today, guys. Today. At 1. Join me. Stitch with me. Very nice. Ow. Now at the bottom it does say it's 50 by 60. It's 191 by 235. And all that is on the paper pattern as well as the product number there. So very nicely done, but yeah. Can't wait any longer than today to start that one. Now, BiggestCraft, if they have any specials or if I have any discount codes, it'll be at the beginning of this video and also in the description box below. Now, the BiggestCraft has cross stitch and regular and counted. They also do latch hook. They have a separate Joy Sunday section, and by now they may have separate sections for like DIY, Joy Sunday, Spring, Mona Lisa, and whomever. They have lots of tools and crafts. They do not have diamond painting. It's just stitching. And I'm not sure if they have paint by number or not. I can't remember that part. But do check them out. They always have great prices and great selections. I've always had great customer service with them. And I have ordered from them personally. It takes about 2 weeks to get your order. So, depending on where you're at, of course. And if you ever have a problem, just email them and they will get back to you. So, thank you, BiggestCraft, for these 2 stunning, stunning kits. I love them both. Both are going to have to be started before the end of this week. Dragon definitely today. So, thank you all for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.